Hi, this is Peter with Quantum Edge AI. I want to discuss the feature of the watch lists on the application. So what we can do here is create unique watch lists, a series of watch lists based upon sector, based upon what you trade in regards to pairs, um, and build these specific watch lists based upon your own interests and your favorite stocks, your favorite ETFs. And let's go through one. So let's create a watch list here. We'll call it the long list. Okay. We added a watch list called long list and it's empty. Okay. So we want to start adding symbols to this specific watch list. So we can look through our database and say, okay, well, which tickers do we want to add to this? We like Apple. Let's add Apple. Okay. We like Microsoft. Let's add Microsoft. We like Uber. Okay. And then we can say, okay, let's create another watch list. Call it ShortList. Okay. We have a new empty list. Um, we don't like Meta. We don't like Citigroup. And we don't like JPM, for example. And what we can do here is let's add one to the long list. Can be anything CRM. Let's add one to the short list so that we have a full dashboard to the short list. Okay. Dashboard, long list. Okay. Now we created our watch list and these are our long positions. This is what we want to trade long, or these are our long positions in our portfolio. These are our short positions in the portfolio. And you want to trade around these positions. Now, as you can see, there's a gap up in JPM, there's a gap up in C and Citigroup. And that leads me to another point. This is not anomalous trading. So this is based upon historical time series. It's not going to find this one anomaly. It's not going to trade this anomaly. What we want to do is become systematic traders. And we want to trade within a framework. So if we're delta neutral traders, calendar trades, um, or pairs trading, for example, long short, we can actually create, say, okay, this is my long list, and you can be buying these stocks and selling in the money calls or out of the money calls. On your long list, on your short list, you can be selling puts, or on your long list, buying puts against your long positions. Now, you can also set this up where you don't have to actually have your long list or short list. You can specify, create a new watch list, and say, you know what? I want to create ones for pairs. And now you have a new blank slate on your watch list um, for pairs. Now we can add them individually and say, okay, well, we want to be set up our trades such that maybe we want to have our longs on this side, or our shorts on this side, or our longs up here, or our shorts down here. And we want to say, okay, well, here's Apple. Okay, Apple, great. I'm going to add Dell here. These are my two longs. And then I'm going to subtract. I'm going to say, okay, well, I don't like Netflix. And I don't like Amazon. You probably should like Amazon, but this is just an example. Now, you can say, okay, well, I'm going to start buying Apple. I'm going to start buying Dell. and I'm going to sell at Netflix and sell Amazon. Whatever your specific fundamental strategy is, or technical strategy is, you can be pairs trading, you can be selling calls, creating iron condors through this position here. You can be long stock and selling calls here, in the money here. You can be buying calendars here, um, or you can just be pairs trading long, short, long, short, long, short in this matrix. Now, you can create watch lists from this location in the dashboard. You can create watch lists from this location in the watch list page. And then you can also sort. You can sort based upon the high differentials or the high forecast differentials or the close forecast differentials within a specific watch list. And you can aggregate these unique tickers based upon you know, a plethora of different ways. So, you know, you can base upon size, uh, price, the nominal value or the price per ticker. You can base it upon the actual forecast. However you trade, you can use quantum edge AI and its forecast to make you a more systematic and optimized trader. So that is the watch list. That's how you create watch lists. And that's how you use WatchList and Quantum Edge AI. Thank you.